I got a 2001 Ducati 748 we're going to be starting on. Really low miles, like 9,000. It's a real nice bike. It just has a couple little scuffs, no dents in the tank. It's got a couple scratches. The worst part is somebody drilled some holes and put these in. I have no idea why anybody would do something like that. So if you're a younger guy with newer bikes, don't chop them up, otherwise we gotta fix them later. Got most of it tore all the way down. Just kind of going through, looking through. This has got a little scuffage on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that. I need to take it off to look behind it anyway, but there's some other paint problems here. I'm just gonna probably paint the whole thing. I thought I'd have to do some more cleaning, but it's actually pretty clean underneath there and I don't see any problems. It's a real low mile bike. It's only got 9,000 miles on it. I etch primed it because I had bare metal, then I sealed it. Now I'm going to do some paint. I'll get it painted, then I got to clear it. It's not shiny, so I'll have to dull and clear down. I got some flattener in the clear, so it's going to go on shiny, but it'll dull down. That's what I was looking for, that semi-gloss look. Make it look factory. These mirrors aren't painted, they're actually textured plastic. So I just put a textured dye on there, kind of clean them up a little bit. the base down that we needed to put down. We're gonna start clearing here. Go ahead and get all the rest of this stuff cleared, then we'll take a look at it. Got it all cleared. I'm gonna go ahead and sand it back down and re-clear it. These Ducatis, when you do that, it really makes it look like it's wet all the time. Looks really nice. So we're gonna re-clear it. Got the decals on. Did the second clear coat. We'll be ready to start assembling this bike back together.